Hi guys, welcome back to Bariatric Beauty and Finishing School. Today I wanted to talk about something that is not beauty related, but it is related to our journey. So I wanted to tell you guys a little secret that I learned. Did you know that it takes 3,500 calories to make a pound? 3,500 calories. So what does that mean? That means that no matter who you are, it means no matter if you're a bodybuilder down the street, or you're a librarian, or maybe you're an Olympic athlete, or you are in a wheelchair, it takes 3,500 calories for the human body to create a pound. So my question is, and a question I get asked a lot, is what about my family history? My whole family's obese. I'm genetically predisposed for it. I have big bones. Well, this is the secret. 3,500 calories to make a pound. So if you want to lose a pound, how many calories do you have to burn? 3,500. So this comes down to easy math. It's calories in versus calories out. And what does that mean? That means that no matter who you are, what you're going through, what your medical conditions are, that's the math. So as long as you can do the math, you can lose the weight. It's not gonna be easy. So I had a question from someone saying, you don't know what I go through. You don't know what my family is like. What do you say to someone who was a fat baby and now they're a fat adult? Well, my question was, what were you eating as a child? Children that eat healthy, lean veggies and fruits, they can be chubby. As they grow into adults, very, very rarely will you find someone who eats a healthy diet and is still overweight, because it's math, right? We use a lot of these excuses as reasons. Personally, I did it too. I had a thyroid problem, PCOS. I have Hashimoto's disease and celiac. I could just sit around and say, well, I can't lose weight because I have all of these syndromes, but it comes down to 3,500 calories to make a pound. And every time I consume 3,500 calories that I don't burn, guess what? I gain a pound. So this is important. This is very, very important, because the sooner that you can give up your excuses that you think are reasons, the sooner you can have success. An incredible success it is. It feels so much better than the excuses, because deep down inside you feel guilt. I did, and I still ate the fries or the pizza or the chips or things that I thought were healthy. There were months at a time that I ate nothing but pasta, and I was like, but pasta's healthy. About 3,500 calories. If you can eat 3,500 calories and burn off 3,500 calories, guess what? You don't gain that pound. And what does that mean? That means if you're active, calories get burned. So that's why MyFitnessPal is such a powerful tool, because you can track the calories that you're burning versus the calories you're taking in, and you can see where the shift is happening, whether it's shifting upwards or whether it's shifting down. And that's incredible. So think about this, 3,500 calories to make a pound. Where do you fall on the spectrum? Are you the person that eats 3,500 calories a day? It's pretty hard after you've had weight loss surgery, but it's doable, especially if you're eating all the wrong things or a lot of processed food. And if you lead a very sedentary lifestyle, or you work in an office and you don't get to move around that much, and then you start to wonder, well, why is the scale going up? My doctor didn't do a very good job of my surgery. My surgery's not working. Weight loss surgery is just a tool. You get about 16 to 18 months of honeymoon period where you are gonna lose weight no matter what, because your stomach is healed. It's very tiny and you just can't put a lot of stuff into it. After that period, it's on you, and you need to know the math. They told us in school you were gonna need to know basic addition and subtraction, and this is where it comes in. If you're struggling with regain, or if you're new in your journey and you're struggling, you're at a stall and you don't know why or what to do to jumpstart it, start doing the numbers. Track what you're eating versus what you're exercising, and see where you fit. Talk to your doctor about it. They're gonna tell you the same thing, but they may have some tips for you, especially if you have some of these disorders or diseases that make it more difficult to lose weight. Gaining weight is simple. Anyone can do that. Losing weight is a little bit harder. So think about it. 3,500 calories. That's it.